starting to rain. Hailing.
Yeah, I've been out in the rain.
Sucks. Love it. But look at this. It's starting to hail and everything. I'm gonna go out. Cold out here. Jesus. I feel like it's gonna hail. I mean, oh, I don't feel it. I know, I see it, but I don't feel it. Probably stop. No? Why are you throwing them at me? Hung on too bad. That sucks. Oh, quit it. But this is awesome. Thunder here. It's like lighting up a camera. I'm gonna stay out here for a few. Jesus, I'm all soaked and wet, man. Jesus Christ. I love it. Great Ohio weather. I wish it was a tornado. I'd film it a lot better. Jesus Christ. But I bet you can hear all that thunder. It's great down here, man. So great. Anyways, stayed out here for a few. And I'm coming back in. It's starting to freaking... It's cold out here. Jesus Christ. I'm filming this on my phone. I wonder if the window got cracked a bit. No, it didn't even get cracked. Jesus. Well, I'm not going back outside. Well, I am. Now, I'll be back. Don't worry about that. Oh my God, that rain. Jesus. It's awesome. I'm drenched. I think I'm gonna go outside again without my jacket.
I'm not gonna go outside today.
I'm going outside, I know that for sure. Alright, that's where I'm living here for a few vacation days. I don't have my jacket. It's so cold. Can't even see where I'm going. It's so dark out here too. Oh, look at that. Everything's gonna be drenched. It's nighttime. Christ, I love it. Look at that. I bet you can't see those, but thunder, great. So awesome. It's also lightning. What? I'm going out further. I'll be back. Christ. It's awesome, but it's cold at the same time. Drenched too. Jesus. This is great for camera ability, but since it's stuck. What the hell? Damn black cat. Jesus Christ. What are you doing out here? Anyway, it is so cold out here and I'm not wearing a shirt. It's getting drenched. Jesus Christ. Anyways, I'm going back in. And technically I can't stop the camera because it's so wet. I can't stop the camera now. It's wet. Yeah, it's crazy wet and I can't stop the camera. Oh, God. You guys should go out there. It's great.
You should tell my brother to freaking knock his attitude off.
Knock your attitude off. Anyways, I'm gonna go dry my camera. Still rolling.
What did you do to yourself? Did you take a shower?
No, I'm outside. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera.
Hi. Hi.
I'm drying my phone off.
You want to get one?
Never mind, I'll go back outside. I went out front, but okay.
Come on, let's go up front. What are you waiting for?
I don't know.
Once I turn them, you want to
What are you waiting for?
Love me like you do. La la, love me like you do. Like do. Touch me like you do. girl to touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? It was hailing out here too. Let's move this out of the way. I mean, it didn't even hurt me. I stepped on it, but.
But I stepped on it. What are you waiting for?
Shut up! I love this. This is great. Jesus Christ.
Why are you all wet? Why am I not getting all wet?
Because you're under the tree and I'm all wet because I was out here with your mom. What do?
Whoa.
Ew. Shut up. What's up? It might start hailing, so you guys might want to get inside. Mickey, get back inside!
It was hailing.
No! What? I can't turn my flashlight off. I can't turn my flashlight off. I have to stop recording to do though. I can figure out how though. Jesus Christ, you guys got to turn my shit off. Tell me in the comment section below how to turn my camera off from my phone. But guess what? Well, I know how to turn my camera off from my phone, but for a flashlight. But I'm Moscow! Anyways. Alright, let's go back inside. I gotta turn my camera off. Shut up! Oh my god. This is what I'm dealing with right now, and yeah. But I'm gonna go dry off my camera and then let's go. Oh, and whenever it's like dark and I'm recording something, the flashlight comes on instantly. Do you have any towels in here?
Yes. I don't know.
I'm just gonna use this
That's my
blanket.
brother.
Hey, do you have any towels in here?
No.
Okay, well I'm just gonna use this blanket, if that's okay with you.